wanted to do a tutorial on, well, just a few videos actually, just on this application called Postman, which is probably one of the most useful things you can think of for REST API calls and kind of testing them. If you want to see Postman, you can just go to getpostman.com, and they have a bunch of variable installers for whatever system you can imagine, including a Chrome web app. So this is the Chrome web app, and right here you can see I was just doing something in another tutorial where I actually had to test an API call. So a few other things I wanted to go over was kind of just how to make collections, as you can see here. There's also a history of different API calls you've been doing. You can also create variables in this as well. You can see there's no variables. You can click edit, and you can create a new key. And you can click save, and you can go into different environments and do that. And we don't really need to go into a different environment. And then so we should have one variable, which is var1, and we don't have an environment chosen. Each environment holds a number of different variables. So right now this is just basically a global variable, which is why it says globals. To set var1, an easy way to do that is to right click on something, go to set globals, and click var1. And then if you click this, you can now see that var1 is set to foo. That is extremely useful when you have to put parameters into something, such as like API keys or something like that. You can also put it in the authorization tag, the header tag, that being like any type of content you want to send to an API. You can change the different API method response type, request type, head options link. Not actually sure what link, unlink, purge, lock, unlock, all those things do. Those are probably very specific calls to sounds like to like Google Drive documents or something. But normally you would do a get post put get post put delete, and that's normally the ones that I do, and like I said, I'm not really sure of these other ones. You can also specify parameters to this query, to this user URL you're sending, and you can do multiple tabs here and do multiple different types of URLs. So you get multiple kind of sessions open at one time. If you want to import settings from something else, you can click import, and you can import the folder, import from a link, paste raw text, and normally you would get this from somebody else. They would have to export their settings, and the way you do that is, let's see, what did I just do here? Okay, so this opens up a new window. There should be a way to export your old settings. So to export your own settings, sorry about that, just click on settings. You can choose different themes. I like the dark theme. Dark theme is nice. You can export your data right here, which include all your collections, environments, globals, and header. Excuse me. You can also do tests based on your response given back to see if the API call is working as expected. And I'll go more in depth in these in separate videos. Thank you for watching.